greetings and welcome back to my channel! It is I, Erin, and today I had a lot of fun playing with some Makeup Revolution products. I got, oh it's dirty now to show you, but I got this beautiful Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette. I absolutely love this palette, so if you want to see how it works and how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I don't really have any idea what I want to do today, to be honest. I pin my hair back, try to look into the camera. I realized in my last video I was like looking everywhere, so hopefully right now I'm staring at the camera. I'll just show you guys my necklace. This is a impression of armadillo skin. My sister got me this from the Knoxville Zoo. So today I think I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette. You guys saw my unboxing, I'll put a link up there. This is one of the palettes I got. So first I'm going to set my eyes using this shade right here. I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush. This is a Morphe Copper Dream Set brush. Started with our Y17 brush from Morphe. And I'm just going to build up that color. I'm going to use the next shade over there. I hate it when makeup products don't have names for their colors. Like honestly, is it really that hard to come up with a silly name? Like call this toffee or something. I've never used a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow before. Is that true? Yeah, I don't have any palettes. I just have their highlighters and bronzers. This color's just talking to me right here. This is the reddish brown color. I'm gonna do that right in the crease too. Oh, wow, a little holy pigment. Only dipped in twice and then tapped off. Well, that color has some serious color to it. That color has color. I'm gonna go back in with this flat shadow brush. And I'm gonna use this fuchsia because I just have to use it. This one right here. I'm going to pat this on the outer corner, and I'm going to use a smaller brush to put it on the inner corner too, like a little halo eye situation. Blending it did take a little bit of the intensity away. I'm actually going to dip this brush in straight and just go right in the crease. Like that. This is an H&M dual-ended eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go in with the same fuchsia shade in the inner corner to create that halo. And I'm going to pull that. This brush also has that sort of similar shape, like it's flat but a little fluffy. So you can really use both the side of it to pat on shadow and the tip of it to kind of blend slash whatever you would call that. I'm just connecting that very lightly in the center of the lid there. Put that Y6 brush in with that original shade one more time and blend so soft. And notice the shade, the colors. I swatched this color yesterday on my hair. It was just so freaking gorgeous. This one right here, I'm going to apply that to the center of the lid, and then I'll bite with my finger. And I might add a little more with like a wet brush or a dry brush just to see. Flat brush. This is an M0124 brush. I'm gonna dip in to that color and then just spray it with my water bottle. And then I like to dip in again after. Holy moly. That is very foiled. I love it. I'm gonna go back in with this flat shader brush and just blend that fuchsia with the shimmer we just put down. Then we go in with this fuchsia on the bottom. On the bottom. Keep it pretty close to the lash line, inside, and on the outside, just like at the top of the eye. Back in with that original wet brush we used for the shimmer shade. and stab myself in the eye with it. Cool. All right. Do the rest of my face. And I'll be right back. Let's try the Worth the Hype mascara. I said it without messing up this time. Yeah. How that looks. Usually I would get a lot more transfer, so I guess like this has less. Pretty good in this. Let's see if it flakes off during the day. So far, not irritating too bad. Can't tell if it's irritating me at all. It didn't really curl my lashes. They actually look flatter than normal. You guys tell? This. But I didn't get the transfer onto the upper or lower lid that I usually get, so that's exciting. So this could be worth the hype, but it's not as black or as full looking as I would like, but also I didn't get to tight line my upper waterline with black because I lost my liner, so that could be why too. Cool. I forgot to do a highlight in the inner corner, so I'm just going to take a little bit of the face highlight I used and pop that on with my finger. Let's do fuchsia. This is Lock Diary from ColourPop. It's an ultra satin. Yeah, ultra satin lip. Let that dry a bit. I'm gonna pat some of that eyeshadow on top. There we go. Good idea. Good idea. And for that, actually I really love to use this little flat sided from this is an icing crease / wide shadow brush. This is the wide shadow side. It's actually really great for adding shimmer on top of a lip. And the other side's clean, yeah. I'm gonna use the other side to add a little bit more of this Makeup Revolution highlighter on my Cupid's bow. Yeah. We can pose. And call it a day. Nice. Oh, I posed with my hair still up. Look at it. Look at my hair. Why is it doing this? What is that? I don't know. My hair's crazy. What can I say? I love it though. I love it though. Oh wow, it's like really up. It is so up. Okay. Whatever. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, because I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, but sometimes when I'm feeling spicy, I upload other days, so you definitely don't want to miss them. We're at 65 subscribers right now. My goal is to hit 100 within the next month. Once we hit 100 subscribers, I have a huge giveaway. It's not huge, but it's a pretty sweet giveaway. Hope you can see in there. I'm planning to fill this the rest of the way. It has some full-size products, some sample-size products, makeup, skincare, hair, everything in this really nice purple thing. So if you would like to have a giveaway sooner than later, make sure you share this video with all your friends and let them know to come check out my channel. And you can also follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, not Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. It's all at I'm a Pluralist. And hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!